You use your phone every day for almost everything. What if you had a device that could unlock your phone's full potential and truly let you use it for everything? Introducing the PhonePad by Anywhere. The PhonePad is the world's first portable monitor that can turn your phone into an iPad or Android tablet. PhonePad is compatible with just about any smartphone, including all iOS and Android devices, from manufacturers such as Samsung, Google, HTC, and more. With the 15.6-inch thin bezel, full HD touchscreen, you can watch videos and work with a bigger multi-touch screen. With PhonePad, there's no need to sync between devices. Use all files and apps already stored on your phone. So you can use your PhonePad to turn your phone into a powerful workstation or the ultimate gaming device. And with zero latency technology, you can play any mobile games on a large touchscreen and get a leg up over the competition. And never get interrupted by a low battery warning while gaming, since the PhonePad charges your phone while you're using it. Work, write, create, and play all from a familiar tablet-like interface. The PhonePad helps you get the most out of your smartphone. PhonePad by Anywhere. Your phone can do more. We believe that in the future, smartphones will be the one and only brain for all your smart devices. We built 2 great products with your support, and we are excited to come back here and launch our new product, PhonePad, so we can share it with you first. So join the revolution and make your phone do more.